Ladders. Ladders can be secured to round tube anywhere on the system using LOBO ladder clamps. Always use at least 2 and ensure the L bolts are tight. LOBO Advanced Handrail System. The LOBO system allows handrails to be fitted above working height from a lower position of safety so that the trained user should never be exposed to the risk of a fall. To construct the next level, insert extensions and tube accordingly. Ladders come in a variety of lengths and can be fitted from a position of safety using 2 LOBO ladder clamps at the top of the ladder. If the ladder needs to be vertical, 2 more clamps can be used to secure the bottom. Always ensure the ladder clamps and side clamps are tight and secure.